Hello, beautiful person watching. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making some flavorful, healthy air fryer shrimp tacos. Now, if you love your tacos as much as we do, you definitely want to give this recipe a try. It is loaded with some healthy ingredients and the flavor is just out of this world. This was a super hit in my home and I hope you get to try this soon. Come along, let's jump right into the recipe. But before we do, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Bena. Thank you so much for watching this video and please do consider taking a moment to hit that red subscribe button. Also like and share this video so that you can help YouTube promote my videos to other viewers. Thank you so much and let's jump right in. I have my shrimp right here. This has been peeled, deveined, and also washed and patted dry thoroughly. And here I have my salt. I'll be using some extra virgin olive oil. And over here I have my homemade Cajun seasoning. I will put a link in the description box how I make my homemade Cajun seasoning. That's what I'm going to be using to season our shrimp. So I'm going to start first by going in with the extra virgin olive oil. This is going to help our shrimp to not dry out and also help the seasoning to adhere to the shrimp as well. I'm going to do some salt as well to taste. Always want to do your salt to taste. Next I'll go in with the Cajun seasoning. Mix this up properly to combine. I'm going to proceed and just arrange our shrimp in the basket. This in there. My air fryer comes with a preset button for shrimp 370 for 6 minutes. So we're going to check halfway 3 minutes later and just flip it over. We're going to go ahead and just flip our shrimp over. Shrimp has been flipped and I'm just going to cook it for the remainder of the 3 minutes. Shrimp has been cooked properly, so I'm just going to go ahead and just transfer it to this bowl right here. So our shrimp has been cooked and we are going to set it aside to just cool down properly while we move ahead to prep the rest of the ingredients. The next step, we are going to go ahead and cook up our bacon. Now I know you're probably asking yourself, wait, what? Bacon in tacos? Yes, absolutely. This is also going to add in another layer of flavors to your tacos. So I have gone ahead and just added some water in my drip basket, and the reason is because when you're cooking up your bacon, because it has a lot of oil, a lot of fat, the water is going to help trap some of the fat so that it doesn't smoke up while you're cooking your bacon. So I'll proceed and cook up my bacon, and once that's ready, I'll just go ahead and transfer it onto this paper towel so that it can also trap the rest of the oil in it. We will set both of it aside and then we will proceed to the next step. So next for our slaw, we do have here a whole cabbage. I'm just going to cut about 1/4 of this cabbage and I'll just go ahead and thinly slice it. You can also use lettuce if you prefer. I just prefer to use cabbage just because it contains more vitamin C, which is really great for our immune system. It is also overall healthier than lettuce, but whichever you prefer, just go ahead and use that as well. I have my cabbage right here, and next I have here some cilantro. I'm just going to go ahead and also just chop this up and add it. Set this to the side. I have our bacon right here, cooked crumbly. I'm just going to chop this up as well. Next, I just have one beetroot right here that I went ahead, washed and peeled it. I'm just going to grate my beetroot, and also we will add it to our slaw later. I love beetroot. It is such super healthy, and it's also gonna add some sweetness to our tacos as well. So in this bowl we have our cabbage, we have our bacon, and we also have our chopped cilantro. And to that I'm going to add some salt. I'm also going to add some black pepper to taste as always. And I'm also going to add about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to mix that properly to combine. We will set this aside and then we'll move next to make our dip. Next step, we are going to proceed to make our lime dip or our lime primer. So I have here one lime. We are going to use both the zest and the juice of this lime. I also have one clove of garlic, and I also have some low fat sour cream. Now this primer or this dip is very delicious. If you want to try it, if you want to put in a little bit of sweetener in there, you can do that totally, but I did not add any sweetener just because we have the beets that are sweet in our tacos. So just watch me as I complete this. So I'm using some corn tortillas and I just went ahead and heated them on my skillet. So I'm about to serve. It's so delicious. I can't wait to take a bite. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you did like it, you did enjoy it, and I hope that you get to try this recipe soon. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly consider hitting that red subscribe button. Also, share this video with your family and friends so that they can help support the channel. Thank you again, and until I come your way next time, please continue to stay healthy, be well. Thank you. Bye.